RV van exterior renovation. If you are looking to give your RV van a fresh new look, an exterior renovation can do wonders. Not only can it improve the appearance of your van, but it can also increase its value and make it stand out from the crowd. Here are some tips and ideas for renovating the exterior of your RV van. Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. We will share with you the news and views about all kind of vehicles and their fancy decorations. If you are looking to renovate the exterior of your RV van, there are few key steps you can take to transform its appearance and make it look brand new. Here are some tips to get started. Number 1. Cleaning and prepping. The first step in any exterior renovation project is to thoroughly clean your van. This includes removing any dirt, grease, and rust that may have accumulated on the surface. Use a high pressure hose or powerful washer to remove any dirt, grease, or debris from the exterior. Be sure to always clean the windows and rims, repair any damages, check the exterior of your RV van for any signs or damages, such as dents or scratches. Repair any damage as needed, either by filling in scratches or replacing damaged panels. Once the surface is clean, you can begin prepping it for painting or other exterior modifications. Number 2, painting. One of the easiest and most effective and the most dramatic ways to transform the look of your RV van is by painting it. You can either paint the entire van or just certain parts of it, depending on your preferences. Choose a high quality paint that's designed for use on vehicles. When selecting a paint color, consider the overall style and design of your van, as well as any logos and branding that you want to incorporate. You can also add graphics or decals to the exterior for a more personalized touch. But 3. Decals and wraps. Another option for customizing your RV van's exterior is to use decals or wraps. These are adhesive graphics that can be applied to the surface of your van, giving it a unique and eye-catching look. You can choose from a wide range of designs and colors, and even create your own custom graphics. Number 4. Window tinting. Window tinting is a practical and stylish way to improve the appearance of your RV van. Not only does it reduce glare and heat from the sun, but it also provides privacy and security. You can choose from a variety of tinting options, ranging from light to dark, and even opt for decorative or pattern films. Number 5. Lighting. Lighting can also play a significant role in enhancing the look of your RV van. Also, swapping out your RV van's lighting fixtures can give it a modern and updated look. You can add LED light strips to the exterior, highlighting certain areas or creating a specific mode. You can also replace your existing for better visibility on the road. Headlights and taillights with more stylish and modern options. Number 6. Wheels and tires. If your van's wheels are looking worn or outdated, consider upgrading them to a new set. Upgrading your RV van's wheels and tires can also make a big difference in its appearance. You can opt for larger, more stylish wheels that complement the overall design and provides improved performance on the road of your van with unique thread patterns or designs, giving your van a more rugged and adventurous look. Number 7. Installing accessories. Add some personality to your RV van by installing accessories like a roof rack, bike rack, or awning. These can also improve the functionality of your RV van for outdoor activities. With these tips, you can transform the exterior of your RV van and create a personalized and updated look that will turn heads on the road. In conclusion, there are many ways to renovate the exterior of your RV van, from painting and decals to window tinting and lighting. By following these tips and ideas, you can create a unique and stylish look that reflects your personal style and preferences. Thanks for watching our channel. Hope you enjoyed your time. Please don't forget to like, comments and subscribe our channel for more information about vehicles.